When we do our original erection, we put our tie joists up before we start building the panels. You notice right away with the WN series being a solid wood nailer on top, that tie joist is more rigid and it won't flex in the wind. Some of the older trusses that you can see where they're butted together, you can actually see that truss with a big bow in it, and you kind of look up and you go, yeah, it doesn't look very good. But with this new WN series, it's a lot stiffer, and that truss stays straighter, which in the long run, when we bring it down to build that panel, that truss maintains its straightness. Along with it being safer in the air, when we're moving a single joist around on the ground, it's not going to flex as much as we're going in and out of the columns, because we use a forklift for everything. Your cage on that forklift's like 5 feet wide. Well, your truss could be 60 feet long. So when you pick that up and you start going in and out of these columns, that truss is going to want to flex a little bit. But with the WN series, it's not going to flex as much. And you see that when you carry a single truss around, and you see it when you build the panel too. When we have a 10-foot center up here in the PNW, your panel could be 600 square feet or 500 square feet, depending if it's a 50-foot truss or a 60-foot truss. That's a lot of roof to be flying around a panel, and that does a lot of flexing. But with that WN series truss, it doesn't flex as much. The safer product, when we go to set that panel in the air, it's easier for our guys on the roof to set it down. Easier for our guy on the forklift to drive around with it and set it down.